Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to secure your business Gmail account. For companies and professionals, keeping Gmail secure is critical to protect sensitive data and client information. This full step-by-step guide for 2026 will help you set up the best security practices. First, open your browser and go to admin.google.com. Sign in using your business Gmail admin account. Click on Security in the admin console. This is where you can manage all security policies, devices, and account settings for your business Gmail. Set strong password policies for all employees. Require complex passwords with letters, numbers, and symbols, and set regular password changes to prevent unauthorized access. Enable two-step verification across the organization. This adds an extra layer of protection, so even if passwords are leaked, accounts remain secure. Regularly monitor devices and account activity under the Devices section. Sign out any suspicious devices and review unusual logins. Check connected apps and third-party integrations. Remove any apps that don't comply with company security policies. Run Google Security Checkup regularly for all users. Enable alerts for suspicious activity so you're notified immediately of potential threats. Train employees on phishing, suspicious links, and secure email habits. Human awareness is one of the strongest layers of protection for business Gmail. And yeah, that's how to secure your business Gmail account step by step in 2026. If this guide helped protect your company emails like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.